Hello students, welcome to my channel once again. Today I am here with Social Studies class 4, lesson 4, the Western Desert of India. Now what is desert? A desert is a flat area covered with sand. It has very little vegetation. Rajasthan lies to the southwest of the northern plains. The map shows that the huge area of Rajasthan is a desert. The Thar Desert. The Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is a large arid region in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent that covers an area of 200,000 kilometers per square and forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It is the world's 17th largest desert and the world's 9th largest subtropical desert. About 85% of the Thar Desert is located within India, with the remaining 15% in Pakistan. In India, it covers about 170,000 km per square and the remaining 30,000 km per square of the desert is within Pakistan. The Thar Desert forms approximately 5% of the total geographic area of India. More than 60% of desert lies in the state of Rajasthan. The Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. The Aravalli Hills divide Rajasthan into two parts. The western part is known as the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. It is made up of rocks and sand. Dust storms are very common. Sand dunes are found everywhere. Climate and vegetation. Climate. The climate in the desert is extreme. During the summers, the days are hot and the nights are cold. This is because the sands heat up quickly in the day and cools down fast at night. In winters, the days are pleasant, but the nights become very cold. Vegetation. There is very little rainfall in the desert. Very few plants grow in the deserts, such as cactus and some bushes. There is a severe shortage of drinking water for the people who live here. Landforms, that is sand dunes. Landforms. Soil erosion due to wind occurs. The desert has many hills of sand called the sand dunes. Sand dunes are formed when the hot wind carries a lot of sand and settles it at one place, forming a hill of sand. Sand dunes keep moving from one place to another due to strong winds. These hot and strong winds carry a lot of sand with them. It is called sandstorms. Oasis. There are some places in the desert where underground water comes up to the surface in the form of springs. Date palms, babul trees, and grasses grow in these areas. Such areas in the desert with water and greenery is called an oasis. Life in the desert. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. The western part of Rajasthan is desert, known as Thar Desert. Life is very hard here. People have to go from one place to another in search of food, known as nomads. Camel is the chief means of transportation. It is known as the ship of the desert. Now water problem has been solved to a great extent by the Indira Gandhi Canal. Capital City. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. It is also known as the Pink City. Hawa Mahal is one of the most beautiful monuments in Jaipur. The Pushkar fair is very popular in Rajasthan. The people here wear bright colorful clothes. They speak Rajasthani and Hindi. The main cities are Bikaner, Jodhpur, etc. So this is all about the western desert of India. I will be back with some more interesting fact in my next videos. Till then, stay tuned and like and subscribe my channel, and please write in the comment box below. Thank you so much.